Yeah, we right back at you between the sheets, making sure you get a good night's sleep. We're gonna send this next one out to the ladies, so get a firm grip.
We coming with it, we coming. Look, real nigga, no faking. Island boy, but I ain't Jamaican. In my hood, they flip working and chop bricks like they half Asian. Gone jail, can't save him. Getting dough, so the cops take him. Please tell their mother skunt to kick rocks and stop hating. All you ever been was a shoulda, coulda, woulda. Me and the other hand, well, Isaac girls, them sugar. Just me, I'm a brother, hot like St. Thomas summer. All I wanted was a beamer and to move out the gutter. The world is ours, Scarface, even though we came from a small place. No matter where I'm at, I'm VI all day. The same time as Kanye, need a feature, call Ray. Ain't stop until everybody in the hood all say
DJ Twitch.
Just like ice cream, bitch, I am so icy. Hard cold like a ice cream, that's why they don't like me. Black and that's unlikely. I'm riding with pipes and smoking on some good gas. Girl, just come and try this. Catch me in the club, bitch. See me popping bottles. He saw me on IG, thought I was a model. Your girlfriend, she swallowed. I'm loading these hollows. She like taking footballs. Call that bitch, hey Arnold. And I'm with a white bitch. She just like to try shit. Oh, nigga, keep calling me. I keep on declining. Nigga, keep rising. Enemies keep hiding. These niggas be lying. You chose the wrong side, bitch. Anything I show you, I want you to see it. Order up some bottles. Bitch, we about to get lit. Your bitch, she might get hit. Hit her with a dirty stick. My niggas hold 30 clips. Shoot you like a movie, bitch, yeah. And I ain't with the goofy shit, yeah. I swear I'm too legit with this, yeah. He got diamonds on his crucifix, yeah. I pray to God that I can make them hits, yeah. We smoking like a hookah stick, yeah. While you be on that goofy shit, yeah. And no, I am not new to this, yeah. My watch, it got the fluid sick.
I got money, bitch. I stay on that money shit. I do. She said my dick so sweet on that honey shit. Bro, keep a long gun on that honey shit. And she just love how I kick it on that punting shit. Gang. I just bought a new chain. I just bought a new bracelet. Cost more than your wedding ring. All these rappers on the same shit. They can't fuck with the gang. No, you can't fuck with the gang. No.